Unlocking the heart, the power of love and connection. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and poetic phrase, the key to one's heart. This phrase is not only romantic but also deeply embedded in English culture and language. It's a metaphor that we often use to talk about love, trust, and emotional connection. So, if you're ready to explore the depths of English expressions, let's unlock this mystery together. The key to one's heart is a metaphor that conjures up the image of a heart being locked like a treasure chest. The key, in this phrase, symbolizes the means or way to unlock someone's deepest affections, making them open up emotionally. It's a way to say that someone has gained the trust and love of another person, allowing for a deep and meaningful connection. This phrase is significant because it emphasizes the importance of emotional intimacy and trust in relationships. It suggests that gaining access to someone's heart is a precious and delicate process, requiring patience, understanding, and genuine affection. It's not just about romantic love. It can also apply to deep friendships and close familial bonds. You can use the key to one's heart in various contexts, such as expressing love, showing appreciation, or even in creative writing and poetry. For example, you might hear someone say, "Kindness is the key to her heart," or "He found the key to my heart through his unwavering support." It's a versatile phrase that adds depth and emotion to your language. In literature, music, and movies, the phrase is often used to explore themes of love, sacrifice, and emotional breakthroughs. It can be found in romantic ballads, heartfelt novels, and scenes where characters express their vulnerability and love. These references help to illustrate how the phrase is woven into the fabric of English expression and storytelling. We hope this exploration of the key to one's heart has opened up new avenues of understanding and expression for you in English. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the emotions and connections they evoke. So, go ahead and unlock not just hearts but the beauty of English expressions. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.